B for ball, B for bat. C for cat, C for cup. D for dog, D for duck. A, B, C, D, sing and play with me. Phonics is fun, as easy as can be. E for elephant, E for egg. F for fish, F for fan. G for goat, G for grapes. H for goat, G for grapes. H for hat, H for hen. E, F, G, H, come and sing it with me. Learning phonics as easy as 1, 2, 3. I for igloo, I for insect. J for jam, J for jug. K for kite, K for key. L for lion, L for leaf. I, J, K, L, now you know so well. Let's keep going, come and spell. N for monkey, N for moon. N for nest, N for nut. O for owl, O for orange. P for pen, P for pig. M, N, O, P, sing and spell with me. Phonics is fun, come and see. Q for queen, Q for quilt. R for rabbit, R for ring. S for sun, S for star. T for toy, T for tiger. Q, R, S, T, sing and spell with me. Phonics is easy, 1, 2, 3. U for umbrella, U for up. V for violin, V for fan. W for water, W for wind. X for xylophone, X for box. U, V, W, X, sing and spell with me. Let's keep going, almost easy. Y for yo-yo, Y for yak. Z for zebra, Z for zoo. Now we've sung our ABCs. Come on, dance with me.